na ba sila? Ang tagal.
Malamang, matagal. Pinatawid mo sila ng ilog, di ba?
Is there any other way?
Hello? Sino si Angela?
Hi, I'm Angela. Come in, come in. Kanina pa namin kayo hinihintay.
Wow! You already pulled out all the stops, no, Ange? Diba sobrang in-demand nitong glam theme na to? I'm sure malaki TF nila.
Of course. I wanna be a head-turner tonight. And I don't wanna settle for less. Tsaka huwag mong isipin yung TF nila. Kasi remember, we have ikits money. Ay, everyone, listen! Aside from your TF, I'm gonna give you a bonus if sisiguraduhin nyo na ako ang pinakamaganda sa party tonight. Can you do it?
Of course. My God. Mga tsaka nga sa Manila napapaganda namin. Dito pa kaya? Duh.
May sinasabi ka.
Nothing. By the way, Miss Angela, right?
Mm-hmm.
Saan pala kami pwede mag-set up?
There.
Thank you.
So, what do you think of my look? Courtesy of stupid, hopeless, romantic ikit.
Hashtag katas ng scam. It looks absolutely perfect, but I'm more excited about your outfit.
Ewan ko na lang talaga kung hindi pa ako mapansin ng mga VVIP personalities sa Alta Party. I almost spent 300K for tonight kaya.
Alam mo, honestly, if I didn't know you, hindi ko iisipin na you're just some girl from Daraitan.
Kaya sana talaga ma-penetrate ko na yung elite circles starting tonight. Kasi I just really can't with this godforsaken place. I mean, look at me. I'm suffocated na sa mga kabaduyan ng mga tao dito. God, I deserve to be an it girl. I belong to the world of the rich and famous. Kaya kahit ilang ikit pa ang sagasaan ko at tapakan, gagawin ko talaga. Makuha ko lang ang gusto ko.
Well, I believe you deserve everything, syempre. Pero for now, can we please get changed? Kasi baka mali tayo. Okay?
Yes, pero konti lang. One last retouch.
Actually, feeling ko kailangan pa rin. Day, sorry. Pwedeng, ano rin ako, contour. O sige, next time na lang tayo. Let's go.